Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tricks you can use on a camera for Honor X7. So the first one is a camera shutter burst shot. So simply click and hold the camera shutter, and that way you'll take the burst of photos. The next thing is to click somewhere on the screen to focus on a specific object. You can also then drag this sun icon and adjust the light level at the specific place of the screen. Next is to go to the settings, and right here you'll be able to enable floating shutter. Now you can see this shutter right here and take photos with it. Go to the settings again, and here you can enable or disable location tags or mute or unmute your shutter sounds. So if you mute or unmute them, you will not hear the noise of photos. And if you enable your location tags and take photos, you'll see the location on these photos where you took them in the information right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.